Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to add music to a YouTube video. Now, what I'm going to do is open YouTube. Then, if you want to upload a video, click the plus sign. Then, click upload video. Now, you will select a video that you'd like to upload. For example, this one. And just click next. And you can also drag to adjust the video. Then here, you have an option to add music. Just press the sound on the lower left corner. Then just choose and scroll down for the music that you would like to add. You can also search. But right now, I'm going to choose. Then just press the arrow, blue arrow sign. Then just click next. Just put your caption and just edit if you want to make it public or unlisted private. You can select the audience and just upload the short. So it's now uploading. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!